Okay, so I've been here for about an hour on Mo's vet. Gotta get ready to wipe her down after Andre's work here. Gotta get all the seams wiped down and everything. Got our battery back in position. It's got voltage. It's actually good and charged. Hooked up our ignition switch. Everything in and under the hood, or under the dash rather, on the driver's side here is wired up except for a few little dome lights and such. But you go to put the battery cables on, and I did omit the amp wiring because we don't even want to get into that mess yet. We just want to get the car to potentially start and crank and fire. Get into that, go to hook up the battery cables, and as soon as I put the positive cable in, we get some arc welding going on. And now we need to chase what exactly is going on in here and why we have a short to ground, which all harnesses are new, but then again, electric limited. So that's a case-by-case basis for me. So we're gonna have to start checking ground and seeing what exactly is arcing out where, because we do not want any electrical issues. And everything here is wired accordingly and plugged in accordingly to what it goes to in our harnesses. So we will definitely need to dig further. But it's all in, it's all together. I want to get everything situated, everything else routed. But first things first, I will be checking at the fuse block, unhooking things. Obviously unhook all of our positive at the fuse block for our internal circuits and everything, and begin chasing from our starter over there. It's ground because that's where the main positive hookup is. Start there, start working our way across. So we will be digging in. Didn't blow that fuse out, which is good. So I just want to start checking things, and we will know more here in a while.